What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you are new here. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am going to be sharing with you my super easy curly hair routine. I don't follow the curly girl method. I pretty much just do what is going to be the easiest and most low maintenance process I can do possible without damaging my hair and still making sure my curls turn out fantastic. So before we get started, I'm going to show you the current state of my hair. I haven't washed it in about 4 days and I just got back from the gym. So it is looking a hot mess. I'm like actually scared to take it out of this. It's going to take me ages to comb out the tangles, but you know what? That's fine. Yeah, so this is what it currently looks like. It's a complete disaster, and we just can't have that. So without further ado, if you want to see how I turn this disaster of a fro into beautiful ringlets, please continue watching. So we are back. It is dark now, so it's been some odd hours later, but this is the final result. So as you can see, it is nice and defined and shiny and not frizzy, which is what you want. Frizz is definitely not my friend, but I have finally figured out a routine that works really well and that's just super easy and simple and not like 100 bazillion steps in products, which I know most curly hair routines are. So if you are one of those girls who follows a really lengthy hair routine, I really hope this video helped you out and you can cut down your time as well as money because those products are not cheap. Comment below if you want to see more curly hair videos and hacks. I do a lot of different types of videos on this channel, from makeup to fitness, hair, pretty much anything beauty and health related. So give this video a thumbs up on your way out, that way I know you liked it and you want to see more like it in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching.